Hi guys, welcome to MathMath. Today I'll be teaching you how to use your scientific calculator to solve linear simultaneous equations involving 2 and 3 variables. This method can guarantee that your answer is 100% correct. A linear equation means that all the variables have a power of 1. Let us take a look at some example. Y equals 2x plus 3, for example, is a linear equation. However, y equals 2x squared plus 3 or y cubed equals 2x plus 3 are not. This is due to the square and cube of the x and y respectively. First, let us take a look at how we can solve linear simultaneous equations that contain two variables. For example, we have these two equations. 2t plus u equals 4 and 3t plus 2u equals 1. First, I'll demonstrate how these simultaneous equations are solved manually using the elimination method. First, let us label the equations 1 and 2. We multiply equation 1 by 2 to make the coefficient of u to be 2. After simplifying, we will get 4t plus 2u equals 8, and we will label this equation 3. Next, we use equation 3 to subtract equation 2 and we will arrive at t equals 7. We sub this value into equation 1 and we will get u equals negative 10. Let us see how we can use the calculator to arrive at the same answer. As such, you can use the calculator to check your answer in the exam. The model of the calculator that I've been using is FX96SG+. Here are the equations that I solved earlier and its solution. Using the calculator, press mode, followed by 3 and 1. You should see this in the calculator as shown on the left. Each row on the calculator represents one equation in the format of ax plus by equals c. Keep in mind that the calculator solves in terms of x, y, and z. So you have to remember which terms x, y, and z corresponds to in your equation. First, we need to make sure that all the same variables are aligned. Like in this case, our x is equals to t and y is equals to u. Thus, for this equation, a is equals to 2, b is equals to 1, and c is equals to 4. While for this equation, a is equals to 3, b is equals to 2, and c is equals to 1. So here we key in 2t plus u equals 4 into the first row on the calculator, and 3t plus 2u equals 1 into the second row. This means that in the first row, we need to key in 2, 1, and 4. To do so, we press the number followed by the equal sign. The equal sign functions as enter. So we press 2 followed by equal, then 1 equal, and then 4 equal. Let's do the same for the second row. We press 3 equals, 2 equals, 1, and equals. Lastly, we press equal again, and you should see x equals 7 on the screen, and we know that x is equals to t in our equation, and hence t is equals to 7. Press equal again and you can see y equals negative 10, which is our u. You can see that these two answers are consistent with the answers we derived earlier from solving manually. You can navigate between x and y by pressing up and down buttons. If you want to go back to the main page, you can press AC or equal at the Y page. Do note that the equation must be in the format of ax plus by equals c. The sequence of your variable x or y does not matter as long as you know which a and b they correspond to, but you must make sure that they are aligned. This will be clearer in the next example. Suppose we have these two equations. We can see that these two equations are not aligned in the format of ax plus by equals c. Hence, our first step is to manipulate them into that format before we can key in into the calculator. I will first label these two equations as 1 and 2. Let's start with equation 1. All we have to do is to shift the positive 8 to the right and the negative half f to the left. We will do the same for equation 2. Next, let's go to our calculator. Again, let's go to mode, followed by 3, and then 1. Let's get some hands-on. I will pause a while to give you some time to key in the values by yourself. Let's have a look at what you should have obtained. Here are the values you should key in for each of the equations. And you should see x equals 2 on the screen, followed by y equal negative 3. Hence, f is equals to 2 and g is equals to negative 3. For this section, I will go through how to solve simultaneous equations involving 3 variables using a calculator. The method is exactly the same as what we discussed earlier in solving simultaneous equations that contain 2 variables. The only difference is that now we have one more variable to solve, which means we will be dealing with 3 equations instead of 2. Let's delve into an example. We have these 3 equations below. For simultaneous equations that involves 3 variables, we likewise need to manipulate the 3 equations into this format. Ax plus by plus cz equals to d. First, we label the 3 equations. Let's start with equation 1. We will shift the negative 2j and negative 3k to the left and arrange them in the alphabetical order and shift the negative 5 to the right. Next, we follow the same arrangement as equation 1 for equations 2 and 3. Now that we have everything in order, we can turn to our calculator to solve these simultaneous equations. To solve simultaneous equations that involve 3 variables, we press Mode, followed by 3 and 2. You can see that the layout is very similar as the previous one, with the addition of one more row since we have 3 equations. The way to key in the calculator is exactly the same. To key in equation 1, we press negative 2 followed by equal, 3 equal, 1/3 equal, and 5. Repeat the same for equations 2 and 3. To solve these simultaneous equations, press another equal, and you should see x equal 1. Similarly, you can navigate between x, y, and z by pressing up and down buttons. Thus, for these simultaneous equations, we have solved that j is equals 1, k is equals 2, and l is equals to 3. In summary, we have learned how to solve simultaneous equations involving 2 and 3 variables using a scientific calculator. A few points to take note is that, firstly, make sure the equations are linear, meaning x and y have a power of 1. If the equations are nonlinear, this mode cannot be used. Next, remember to arrange the equations in the form of ax plus by equals c when there are 2 variables, or ax plus by plus cz equals d if there are 3 variables. To solve simultaneous equations involving 2 variables, press mode followed by 3 and 1. For equations with 3 variables, press mode 3 and 2. If you like this video, press our MathMath logo on the calculator to support us. Check out our other MathMath videos for more neat tricks that will help you overcome challenges in solving math problems. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more math tips.